our player of the game.
I'm here with our player of the game with 17 points and 9 digs. It's the heaven sent Angel Canido. Congratulations, Angel, on this big win. So you had a slow start in this game. What was the turning point for you guys to get this win today?
I guess yung turning point talaga yung reminder ni Coach na medyo tense kami nung simula and tanggalin namin yung pressure. Maglaro lang kami kung paano kami maglaro. Kasi pinaghirapan namin to sa training kahit hindi naman kami nag-step ladder. Pinaghirapan talaga namin to sa training. So, I guess yun yung turning point, yung papagising ni Coach Ramil sa amin lahat.
And now you're one win away from a championship. What's going through your head knowing that you're this close to securing your 13th championship?
Well, of course, I'm so happy. The team is very happy na napanalo namin yung Game 1. Pero focus pa kami kasi one step closer lang sa goal. Hindi pa to yung goal namin. Gusto talaga namin matapos yung season na to na maganda. So, itatry namin yung best namin na itapusin yung Cloud9 today. And then, focus na ako anong next namin gagawin. Kasi for sure, mag-a-adjust yung kalaban.
Lastly, may message ka ba sa lahat na sumusuporta sa iyo in this finals?
Hello sa lahat ng Lasal community! Woo! Thank you, as in thank you sa lahat na suporta nyo, sa pagmamahal nyo. Maraming salamat po at sa lahat po na pumunta dito. Thank you so much po. It means a lot to us po. And sana po, patuloy nyo po kami suportahan sa Game 2 po namin. And we will try our best po sa inyo. Thank you so much po.
That was your player of the game and one win away to the championship for the Lady Spikers. Back to you, Chicky and Gia.